Top 5 programming languages to learn in 2024. First of all, programming language is a formal system designed to instruct the computer, which consists of set of rules, syntax, and symbols that allows humans to write code. So here are top 5 programming languages to learn in 2024. The fifth on the list is TypeScript. TypeScript is a subset of JavaScript which adds static typing, making large code bases more maintainable, and is commonly used in large-scale web applications. Number 4 is Rust. Rust is one of the system programming languages that is used for building high performances programming languages, that is high performances web application, and is known for its best performance and memory safety. The third on the list is Java. Java is also a very popular programming language which is also known as object-oriented programming language. It's a classic language which is used in so many cases and is widely used, especially in enterprise level applications and for Android developments. The second on the list is JavaScript. JavaScript is an essential programming language which is used for web development and is also used on the server side with the use of Node.js. And the top on the list is Python. Python is a very versatile programming language which is used for web development, artificial intelligence, machine learning, data science, and a lot of cool stuff. Its readability and extensive libraries makes it a favorite. Also keep it in mind that the best programming language to learn depends on your goals and the project you are interested in. So let me know what kind of programming language you want to enroll with or you want to enroll on, and I'll be dropping a content for you regarding that programming language.